Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A52S 5G to Xiaomi Device. First of all, open Play Store on both devices. Now you need to tap on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, download this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue, and finally allow. After that, go with send on Samsung and receive on Xiaomi. Now you need to click on all of those kind of dots and select send in order to send all of your files. It will take a lot of time though, so I will go into photos category and select one of them just for example. Then choose send and click got it. From here we have two connection ways. You can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Xiaomi, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. From here we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always make sure of it by going into some kind of Files app, for example, going in my case into Images and looking for Send Anywhere album. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!